Hello, EPBR membership. This is Shannon Walker, your 2023 Eastern Panhandle Board of Realtors president with your monthly president's report. We had just concluded our board of directors meeting, so wanted to share some information with you. This month we have in our membership, our total membership is 885 members. That's pretty huge. We have 675 primary members, we have 114 secondary members, and 92 affiliates. So some pretty exciting growth here in the Eastern Panhandle. Wanted to remind you of the early bird special for the state convention that will be taking place in Huntington, West Virginia on September 17th to the 19th. Great way to get your CEs done, great way of connecting with other agents in the state. So I do highly recommend you looking into that and signing up for that convention. Also a quick reminder that we are doing our bowling fundraiser again this year. Always a great turnout and always a lot of fun. So please check into that. If you have any questions, contact Gina. She has that information for you guys. So please get a team together and sign up. The next thing, I want you guys to keep an eye out for RPAC events. We have initiated an RPAC committee, or reinitiated. We've always had one, and they're looking into new projects and fundraisers for the coming year, the rest of the year. So please look for opportunities to invest in our RPAC. One reminder that we discussed at the board meeting today, and I wrote this down because it is very important. So please be very aware that it is the buyer's due diligence to check the county's planning commission on and review and check out any research for any future projects. We may blooper that out, but you know what? I think you know what I'm saying. Have your buyers look into the Planning Commission website so that they can do their own research on any potential future builds or businesses coming into the area. Just trying to keep us safe and help our buyers with their due diligence. Check out the EPBR calendar for upcoming events. And I think that's it for this month. Hope everyone's doing well. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Also, #ProjectHome. You guys have a great month. Thank you so much.